Hi, welcome to this video of Code to Cash Flow. In this video, we will see how to use DataRobot.com to set up your machine learning pipelines without writing a single piece of code. So let's dive in. Go to DataRobot.com and create your use case by clicking Create Use Case. In this session, we will be using hospital dataset to identify patient readmission based upon the dataset. Once you have named your use case, I want you to add a dataset to your use case. So click on Data Assets and upload a dataset. You can upload a file or already attach an uploaded file. In my case, it is hospital readmission data. So I'm going to add it to my use case. Once dataset has been added, you can actually go and view your dataset features. Click on Show All Features if this is not selected, and then you can explore all the features. In this dataset, we can see that features include race, gender, age, weights, and so on. I can see their distribution in the form of histograms. Once you are happy with your dataset, go back and start modeling. Here we can see that we are using modeling type as supervised learning. So please do tell me in comments that what is supervised learning. Once your data is prepared for supervised learning, please select your target feature, which is readmitted in this case. As you can see, we can see the class values for readmitted as false and true. And finally, we can see what kind of model we want. For this purpose of video, I will use quick autopilot, but we also have manual to go for further fine tuning. We are selecting log loss as your accuracy matrix, and finally we are all set for training. Go for any additional settings like cross validation, train test split, and you can represent your CV folds in these settings, which feels okay for now, and I'm going to start modeling. This will take a while, and you can see that a machine learning model is being trained behind the scenes. Welcome back. Once your models are trained, we can use one of these models for deployment. As you can see that this light gradient boosting on elastic predictions prepared for deployment. You can select this model and the model action on it, go for model registration. But first, we can also generate a compliance report of the model, how it looks like. Let's wait for the report to show up. The download will begin once the report is ready. In the while, start registering our model for deployment. So our model has been registered. Now we can click on deploy to deploy the model for outer world consumption. All right, our model is now ready for deployment. So let's deploy. Our model has been deployed, and we can see that we can use this model for predictions. We can make a new prediction on by uploading the file, or we can interact with this model via API. So that's it for datarobot.com. And in this video, we saw how we can set up a machine learning pipeline without even writing a single piece of code. I hope you enjoy this session, and I'll see you next time.